So before you guys jump all over my case and you're all like, you're ruining your coffee! The best cup of coffee that you can drink is the cup of coffee that you enjoy. That's so full of butter! Super high in vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as omega-3s. It's unhealthy! Keeps your insulin levels down, which means you have less inflammation going on in your body. Butter in your coffee's gross! Tastes amazing. What we're talking about today is bullet coffee, my way. I'm aNotSoSingleDad. We're hanging out in my kitchen today so that I can talk to you a little bit about a killer breakfast alternative. I started drinking bullet coffee a few years ago when I got into keto. Now, this video is not about the ketogenic diet. There are tons of benefits to drinking bullet coffee, whether or not you're into intermittent fasting, keto, both, or whatever other diets out there. The true king when it comes to fat loss is being in a caloric deficit. That means eating less calories in a day than your body burns in a day. This way, your body will utilize its natural fat stores and draw from that to continue giving you energy. Where does Bulletproof Coffee fit into this equation? Well, because it's only moderate in calorie count and you're ingesting high quality nutritious fats, you're gonna be able to go longer throughout the day without eating a full meal that may have been 600, 800, or even 1,000 calories. Even though you started with a heavy influx of healthy fat, you're gonna find that you don't need to intake as many calories as normal. Now, when it comes to weight loss, it doesn't matter where the calories are coming from. They can come from proteins, fats, or carbohydrates. The important thing is that you're in a deficit. Guys, I'm gonna introduce you to a couple real good friends of mine. First of all, grass-fed butter. This is Kerrygold. This little tub runs like $4 at the grocery store. Not only is this a really good, high-quality butter for your regular buttery needs, but because it's grass-fed, it's super high in those vitamins that I mentioned earlier. And frankly, this stuff tastes amazing. The second ingredient I'm gonna introduce you to, MCT oil. It is a completely clear, colorless, flavorless oil that is derived from coconuts. MCTs are medium chain triglycerides. They are super easily absorbed, healthy fats that your body can process very quickly to convert into energy that keep you more full, feed your good gut bacteria, and help you stay satiated throughout the day. If you're not a creamer or milk person, then that's literally all you need other than whatever coffee it is that you prefer to drink. I personally gravitate toward pour-overs, French press, or an espresso. Just go with whatever your favorite way to prepare the coffee is. Here in a moment, I'm gonna go through the secret to making your bullet coffee taste fantastic. I'm gonna show you two different ways to put your bullet coffee together. If you prefer your coffee black, start with your pre-prepared coffee and a blender bottle. You're gonna pour your coffee right into the blender bottle. And then you're going to measure your ingredients. Measuring the ingredients lets you track your calories and how many grams of fat that you're actually eating. I do not recommend just putting a huge dollop of butter and a quick pour of oil in your bullet coffee. Serving is 1 tablespoon, and we're just gonna put that down into our coffee. Then you're gonna take your MCT oil and do the same thing. 1 serving, 1 tablespoon. Cool, now that we've married all of our ingredients together, we want to send them on something of a honeymoon, lock down our blender bottle, make sure the lid's on tight, and we're gonna give that thing a hell of a shake. So what this does is it's gonna blend together the fats in the coffee, and that's gonna keep it from separating and becoming real nasty. A big turnoff for a lot of people when it comes to bullet coffee is that you end up with this thick, nasty layer of fats right up on top. So putting it in a blender, a food processor, or something like that is going to keep that from happening, and it's gonna keep that fat and oil from separating. Now, you can drink it just like this, but I'm personally a creamer guy, so I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. This is a foamer. It's got a little mug and comes with this cool plunger, which has a micro screen on it. What you're gonna do is pour your creamer into the bottom section of the foamer, and then you're gonna add your other ingredients in here as well. Then you can pump air through the micro screen, and it's going to give you a really thick, luscious foam. This totally brings your bullet coffee up a whole other level because it gives it more of a cappuccino mouthfeel, and you get some of the foamy, buttery deliciousness in every single sip. Oh man. And enjoy. So The taste. A lot of people are weary of bullet coffee. Most people put more butter than this on a waffle, on pancakes, in their eggs. People have actually been blending buttery foods with coffee for a long time, and we're all pretty used to it. You'd be surprised how delicious this really is. That's bullet coffee done my way. Thanks for hanging out today. I hope you're having a great weekend. Do me a solid though. If you guys have been watching the channel, or even if you're brand new, make sure that you fist bumped that subscribe button and gave a little elbow to the notification bell. Also, go ahead and expand out the description below. I've added links for most of my favorite coffee gear, the stuff that I literally use every single day. I not only want you to be stylish and happy, I want you to be healthy too. And I think bullet coffee is a great option to work into your macros to give you a solid cognitive boost, tons of energy throughout the day, and really, it just tastes amazing. One last thing before we go, you need to remember that when you're balls deep in piping hot bullet coffee,